While most people talk about IT and startups, the real money in India right now is being built silently in warehouses, trucks, highways, and ports. And one company has just become South India's largest logistics park developer. So the real question is India entering a massive logistics wealth cycle right now? So what happened? Now, Horizon has now scaled up to become largest logistics park developer in South India. Now this means massive land acquisition, pan-south warehouse networks, e-commerce and industrial contracts, port and highway linked assets. Now, this is not real estate, this is supply chain infrastructure control. So, why logistics is a new real estate gold mine? Now, old money was made from malls, offices, housing, whereas new money is being made from warehouses, data center, cold storage, industrial park, port link logistics. Because India's consumption and manufacturing engine now needs movement, not malls. So, why South India is the biggest logistics battleground? Because South India is offering export manufacturing clusters, deep seaports, high consumption cities, EV and electronic supply chain, fast highway connectivity. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, AP. The region is now India's supply chain backbone. So, what does this mean for shareholders and investors? If it is being executed correctly, rental annuity income, asset revaluation upside, there would be institutional exits via rights, and there would be long term compounding. But if it is not executed in a right manner, there might be high debt, vacancy risk, capex overruns, and slow demand cycles. So, logistics is boring, stable, and massively scalable. So, what are the biggest hidden risks? There is overbuilding risk, regional demand mismatch, high interest rate pressure, there is tenants concentration risk, and there is delayed institutional funding risk. Infra makes money slow, but mistakes also punish slow and deep. So, what can smart investors track? They can track the pre-leased warehouse percent, the rental yield trends, they can track the debt to equity ratio, anchor tenant quality, and right exit pipeline. And they can ignore the next logistics multi-bagger telegram hype. And they can also ignore the project announcement noise. So, Horizon is becoming South India's largest logistics park developer. And what does it signals? A structural supply chain wealth cycle and a manufacturing and consumption convergence boom. So, it is not a short term trading theme. The next real estate billionaires in India will come from warehouses, not apartments. So if you want clean infrastructure investing analysis, supply chain wealth cycle decoding, and no hype real estate pushing, subscribe to Insider Wonk. Here we are not chasing property ads, we track where logistics money is compounded. Thank you.